4 small candles waiting yet. Hope and peace, then joy will shine. Love will glow at Christmas time. Every week another flame tells the story why He came. Light the wreath, let it shine, one by one through Advent time. Hope, peace, joy, love we bring, preparing for our newborn King. Light the wreath, let it glow, hearts awake and spirits grow. Purple candles steady bright, guide us through the winter night. Then the pink one lifts our eyes, joy is coming in sunrise skies. Every flame a gentle call, God's love shining for us all. Light the wreath, let it shine, one by one through Advent time. Hope, peace, joy, love we bring, preparing for our newborn King. Light the wreath, let it glow, hearts awake and spirits grow. And when Christmas Day is near, all our waiting turns to cheer. White candle in the center bright, Christ is born, our guiding light. Light the wreath, let it shine, one by one through Advent time. Hope, peace, joy, love we bring, celebrating Christ our King. Light the wreath, let it glow, faith is shining, watch it